The gray parrot, also known as the Congo gray parrot, Congo African gray parrot or African gray parrot, is an Old World parrot in the family Cetacidae. The Timna parrot once was identified as a subspecies of the gray parrot, but has since been elevated to a full species. Question and answers about African gray parrot. 1. Is the African gray parrot the smartest bird? The African gray parrot is considered by many to be the world's smartest bird. This highly intelligent species is known for its exceptional ability to mimic human speech, as well as its remarkable problem-solving and cognitive abilities. 2. How intelligent are African gray parrots? The intelligence of the species is thought to rank among the highest of non-human animals, including apes and cetaceans. Some researchers have compared its reasoning abilities to those of a 3- or 4-year-old human child. 3. How long does it take for an African gray to start talking? Parrots will hear and take in sounds way before they actually start to mimic them out loud. This is particularly common in African gray parrots, who can be the most prolific talkers, but who often don't start speaking until after 1 year of age. That's all we have in today's video. Please like and share the video and then hit the subscribe button, then come back for more videos.